Construction progress Barcelona new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. Today, we're focusing on the foundational work happening around the stadium. Currently, we can see that some areas are still being prepared for concrete pouring, with wooden frames already set up. Over by the crane towers, the placement of reinforcing steel bars is ongoing, and new concrete sections are being prepared. The construction team is steadily moving forward, ensuring everything is ready for the next stages of development. Over at the North Goal area, there's been significant advancement. New beams are being installed, and we have a new crane in operation here. This crane is critical for lifting and placing the beams that will support the upper structures. These beams are a crucial component in the ongoing construction of the stadium's new sections. Each day brings us closer to seeing the complete framework of this iconic venue. Switching to the Tribune area, we observe the installation of new pillars and scaffolding around the main ramps. This area is bustling with activity as workers set up the necessary supports for the next phase of construction. The lower sections have already seen some concrete work, and we're expecting more progress in the coming days. The team is also preparing the foundation for future stages, ensuring everything aligns perfectly with the overall plan. Lastly, let's talk about the South Goal corner. This area is slightly behind schedule compared to other sections, but work is accelerating. New excavations and foundational preparations are underway, with reinforcing bars being meticulously placed. We also have new concrete pours scheduled, which will significantly boost the progress here. Despite the challenges, the construction crew is dedicated to catching up and maintaining the overall timeline for the new Camp Nou. That's it for today's update. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on this incredible project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.